In a breaking development that's sending shockwaves through the senior and disability communities, the IRS has just dropped a bombshell announcement that could change thousands of lives this weekend. Imagine walking into next week with an extra $6,400 in your bank account. This isn't a dream, and it isn't just another internet rumor. Today, I'm bringing you the exclusive details about the newly confirmed double stimulus package specifically designed for Social Security recipients and SSDI beneficiaries. What makes this announcement even more critical is that it might be your last chance to claim these life-changing payments before time runs out. As I dive into these groundbreaking details that could literally put thousands of dollars in your pocket this weekend, I need you to do something crucial. Hit that subscribe button right now and activate those notifications, because in the next few days I'll be releasing time-sensitive updates about this program that you absolutely cannot miss. The information I'm about to share could mean the difference between receiving your double stimulus payment this weekend or missing out entirely. So drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to learn about what might be the most significant financial opportunity for seniors and SSDI recipients this year. Welcome back to our channel, where we're committed to bringing you the most up-to-date and accurate information about senior benefits and financial opportunities. Today's video is different from anything I've shared before, and the timing couldn't be more critical. The IRS has finally broken its silence on what many have been speculating about for weeks: a double stimulus payment specifically targeting Social Security and SSDI recipients. Here's what makes this announcement truly extraordinary. We're not talking about a single, isolated payment, but two separate stimulus checks totaling $6,400, with a first wave of payments scheduled to begin this weekend. I have spent the last 48 hours analyzing every detail of this announcement, speaking with IRS representatives, and consulting with financial experts to bring you the most comprehensive breakdown of this program. And what I've discovered will surprise you while also potentially putting thousands of dollars in your pocket if you act quickly enough. The path to this unprecedented double stimulus package has been paved with mounting economic pressures that have disproportionately affected seniors and disability recipients, creating a perfect storm with rising healthcare costs, skyrocketing grocery prices, and increasing utility bills that have made it nearly impossible for millions of Americans living on fixed incomes to manage their expenses. The federal government's response to this crisis has been nothing short of extraordinary. A double stimulus package that acknowledges both the immediate and long-term needs of our most vulnerable citizens. The decision to structure this as two separate $3,200 payments was not arbitrary. It represents a carefully calculated approach to providing sustained financial support. The first payment is designed to address immediate needs such as outstanding bills, medical expenses, and essential purchases that many have been forced to delay, while the second payment, scheduled to follow several weeks later, aims to provide a financial buffer that can help recipients establish a more stable financial footing for the months ahead. What makes this program particularly remarkable is its targeted approach. Unlike previous stimulus initiatives that cast a wide net, this package has been specifically crafted to address the unique challenges faced by Social Security and SSDI recipients, ensuring that the assistance reaches those who need it most. The timing of this announcement is also significant, arriving just as many seniors are facing difficult decisions about winter heating costs and end-of-year medical expenses. Let's delve deeper into who exactly qualifies for these payments, because the eligibility criteria are more nuanced than they might initially appear. While being a Social Security or SSDI recipient is the primary qualification, there are several layers to the eligibility requirements that you need to understand. The good news is that these requirements are more inclusive than previous stimulus programs, yet there are still important details to note. The income thresholds have been specifically structured to ensure that those who need the assistance most will receive it. For individual recipients, the full payment is available to those with annual incomes up to $90,000, with a gradual reduction in payment amounts for those earning between $90,000 and $100,000. For married couples filing jointly, the full payment threshold extends to $180,000, with reductions up to $200,000. Here's a crucial detail that many might not realize. Your Social Security or SSDI benefits are not counted toward these income limits, meaning that thousands of recipients who might have assumed they were ineligible could actually qualify for the full amount. The application process for this double stimulus payment represents a significant departure from previous programs, and understanding these changes is crucial for securing your payment. Although the process has been streamlined to accommodate seniors and disability recipients, there are specific steps you must take to ensure you receive both payments. The IRS has created a new portal specifically for this program, which is set to go live this Friday at midnight Eastern Time, and the importance of early application cannot be overstated. The IRS has implemented a first-come, first-served processing system for these payments, with priority processing for applications submitted within the first 48 hours of the portal opening, meaning that those who submit their information early could receive their first payment as soon as this weekend through direct deposit. For those who aren't comfortable with online applications, the IRS has established alternative submission methods, including a dedicated phone application system and in-person assistance at local Social Security offices. However, it is important to note that these alternative methods may result in slightly delayed processing times compared to online submissions. The documentation requirements for this stimulus program have been carefully designed to balance security with accessibility. You will need several key documents when you apply: your Social Security Award Letter or SSDI documentation, a valid government-issued ID, and your most recent tax return if you filed one. But for those who haven't filed recent tax returns, alternative documentation options are available. What's particularly noteworthy about the documentation requirements is what has been eliminated. The IRS has done away with many of the complex financial documentation requirements that were part of previous programs, reflecting an understanding of the challenges many seniors and disability recipients face in accessing and organizing extensive financial records. The distribution system for these payments has been carefully orchestrated to ensure rapid deployment while maintaining security and accuracy. The first wave of payments will begin hitting bank accounts this weekend for those who have current direct deposit information on file with the IRS or Social Security Administration, and this initial wave will continue through the following week, with paper checks beginning to mail out shortly thereafter. The two-payment structure is designed with specific timing in mind. The first $3,200 payment will be distributed immediately upon application approval, while the second payment will follow a set period later. This spacing serves multiple purposes. It allows for proper verification of the first payment's receipt, provides time for recipients to address any issues that might arise, and ensures a steady flow of support rather than delivering a single lump sum. As the IRS has worked diligently to make this process as smooth as possible, it is important to address potential challenges that some recipients might face. One common concern involves recent changes in address or banking information. To address this, the IRS has implemented a rapid update system that allows recipients to modify their information up until the payment processing begins. This system is accessible through both the online portal and a dedicated phone line. Another significant concern involves shared bank accounts and joint living situations, for which the IRS has established clear guidelines to ensure that payments are properly directed to the intended recipients, even when multiple eligible individuals share financial arrangements. One of the most significant aspects of this stimulus program is its careful integration with existing benefit systems. The IRS and Social Security Administration have worked together to ensure that these payments will not disrupt or negatively impact any current benefits. This is a crucial point that deserves detailed explanation. These stimulus payments are classified as economic impact payments, placing them in a special category that exempts them from being counted as income for benefit calculations. This means they won't affect your Social Security payment amounts, Medicare premiums, Medicaid eligibility, or any other income-based benefits you currently receive. And additionally, these payments will not impact your tax liability for the current year or future years. Recognizing the importance of accessible support, The government has established a comprehensive network of resources to assist recipients throughout this process, including 24/7 phone assistance, online chat support staffed by trained specialists, and in-person help centers at local Social Security offices. These resources are designed to provide immediate assistance with any questions or concerns that may arise during the application and payment process. While the immediate impact of these payments is significant, it is also important to consider how to maximize their long-term benefit by creating a balanced plan that addresses both immediate needs and future security. This might include setting aside a portion for emergency savings, addressing critical home repairs or modifications, investing in necessary medical equipment or supplies, and potentially creating a small investment fund to prepare for future expenses. As we conclude this comprehensive overview of the Double Stimulus Program, it is essential that you have a clear path forward. The opportunity to receive $6,400 in stimulus payments is real but time-sensitive. The application window opens this weekend, and early submission is crucial for priority processing. Remember that these payments will not affect your existing benefits, and comprehensive support systems are in place to help you through every step of the process. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications to stay informed about any updates or changes to this program, and share this video with friends and family members who might also qualify. You could be helping them secure up to $6,400 in much-needed assistance. Drop your questions in the comments below and join our community of informed benefit recipients who are taking control of their financial future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video with even more critical updates about this program. Remember, when it comes to securing your financial future, knowledge and quick action are your best allies, so stay safe, stay informed, and take action on these payments as soon as the portal opens this weekend. Moreover, consider planning ahead by reviewing your current financial situation and preparing any additional documentation now, which could streamline the process even further and ensure you're not caught off guard by any administrative requirements. This proactive approach will not only help you secure the immediate benefits of the double stimulus payment, but will also strengthen your overall financial stability in the face of ongoing economic challenges.